Hello students, in this video we are going to solve one important example on curvilinear motion applied to Newton's second law of motion. So please read the problem statement. If the 10 kg ball has a velocity of 3 meters per second when it is at the position A as shown in figure along the vertical path, determine the tension in the cord and the tangential component of acceleration of the ball at this position. At which position? At position A. Means when it is making 30 degrees with horizontal. So it is moving in vertical curvilinear path. And the radius of curvature is 2 meters. So when it is at A, that is 30 degrees with respect to horizontal. So the velocity is 3 meters per second. At this position, at this instant, you have to find out the tension in the cord and the tangential component of acceleration. Right? See, this ball is moving along the curved path. So it will possess tangential component of acceleration and normal component of acceleration. So the normal component of acceleration is directed towards the center of curvature. So let us first draw free body diagram of the ball at position A. So at position A, weight of the ball mg acting vertically downwards. So the tension in the cord, say T, so this T is directed towards the center, right? Say T is the tension in the cord, and this ball will have tangential component of acceleration AT and normal component of acceleration AN. So the T string is making an angle 30 degrees with respect to horizontal. So it is given 30 degrees. So we have this is 60 and hence this is again 30. Now I am taking x-axis in tangential direction and y-axis in normal direction for convenience, right? Now writing unbalanced force in x direction, that is summation fx is equal to, see here, it is acting towards left, minus m at, right? So now resolving this mg into two components, the component along x-axis, that is mg cos 30, the component adjacent to the angle is cos, and the other component is mg sin 30. So now in x direction mg cos 30 is acting towards left, so minus mg cos 30. T is perpendicular to that, so the component of T in x direction will be 0, is equal to minus m at. So you can cancel m. So at is equal to g cos 30, 9.81 cos 30. So the tangential component of acceleration at this position at is equal to 8.5 meters per second square. And to find out the tension in the cord, let us write the unbalanced force in y direction, summation Fy is equal to MAN. AN is the acceleration in y direction. So in y direction, what are the forces acting? Plus T minus mg sin 30 is equal to MAN. So T is equal to mg sin 30 right, plus MAN, that is mv square by rho. So tension in the cord T is equal to, what is the mass of the ball? It is given 10 kg. So it is 10 into 9.81 sine 30 plus 10 into B is given 3 meters per second at A, at position A. So it is 3 square upon rho. Rho is radius of curvature of the path, that is 2 meters. So this gives you tension in the cord T as 94.05 Newton. Understood? So it is very simple. Draw free body diagram and show AT, AN and find out the unbalanced forces or the resultant forces along tangential and normal direction and equate to MAT or MAN to get the required answers. Right? Thank you.